Hello everyone. So in today's video, I will show you guys on how to verify your Prizepicks account. So first, when you're gonna sign up, Prizepicks is gonna ask you for a photo of your ID for verification. So here it says, why am I being asked to submit a photo of my ID? So it says that if your account isn't automatically verified after you sign up, that means we need more information before we can verify your identity. To complete this process, you only need your smartphone and a government-issued ID such as a driver's license or passport. So if you follow the instructions in the app, the verification process will take less than 2 minutes. So once you have submitted a photo of your ID in Prizepicks, what's going to happen next? So in here it says, what happens after I submit my ID? So after you submit a valid government-issued photo ID, you will be notified with one of the following status reports. So there are 4 status reports, so let's begin with number 1. So number 1, you are immediately verified. So this will say that you will receive a notification that says, verification successful. You'll also be provided a link to the deposit page where you can add funds to your account and begin playing Prizepicks. And then number 2, Prizepicks is gonna ask you again to resubmit your ID. So this is the most common reason for this are a blurry picture, improper lighting, or an invalid ID like a library card or debit card. So make sure that the ID that you are using is a government-issued ID. And then number 3, placed in review. A verification specialist will review your account information further. So if it's placed in review, Prizepicks will have someone verify your ID and your information even more further. And then lastly, number 4 is denied. So if you are denied, you will unfortunately not be able to play on Prizepicks. Prizepicks reserves the right to deny verification to anyone at its sole discretion. So for security reasons, we will not be able to provide specific information to individuals regarding why they were denied. So yeah, those are the four things that will happen after you submit your ID. So yeah, that is pretty much it on how to verify your Prizepicks account. So make sure that you have a government issued ID and just wait for Prizepicks to verify your account. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.